Hi guys, good morning. So today is the 20th of June. Right now it's 11 a.m. and I woke up like an hour ago and did all my morning chores, and then I thought I'll film this video today because lately I've been seeing a lot of trends going on regarding this birthday glow up, birthday transformation kind of. And it's today's video is basically going to be me doing my skincare immensely because tomorrow is my birthday and I need to prep for it. So that is that. I'm filming this video, and without any further ado, let's just get started. So guys, right now I'm going to shave my facial hairs. I have hairs on my upper lips, eyebrows वगैरह बढ़ गए, forehead भी थोड़ा है. So I'm going to shave my facial hair and then I'm going to apply whatever I have to apply. And for shaving my facial hair, I'm using this Flawless Cut trimmer, which I got from Amazon for $1,000. It's a very good trimmer. Trims all your facial hair and it's just amazing. So I'll link it in the description box below. And right now I'm just going to trim my upper lips and I'll then meet you guys. So guys, now I'll take this trimmer and move it in circular motions above my upper lips to get rid of my facial hair above my upper lips. So let's do that. So guys, I'm done with my upper lips now and I'm going on to my brows. I'm going to do my brows. My sister is going to do my brows. So watch that. So guys, I'm sorry if the light is flickering because I'm filming in natural light. I don't have ring light, so I'm sorry about that. But I have shaved my facial hairs and now I applied a detan pack. It's the O3 detan pack in blueberry flavored. I have showed you this in my Nykaa haul, and as I said you, it's a new variant and I thought what better occasion than to try it today. So I tried it today. It's a very pretty lavender shade, very subtle lavender shade, and I love it. And the smell is so good. It's so divine. I just love it. But how it works on my skin, on my face, is something I can tell you only after I wash it off, and it will take me around 45 minutes to wash this thing off. I let it stay in my skin for 45 minutes and then I'll wash it off. But in that course of time, I'll paint my nails and make them look beautiful because right now they look disastrous. So I can't, this is not going to be my birthday nails, so I'm going to do my nails. I also have these fake nails, but my dumb dash forgot to buy glue for those fake nails, so sadly I cannot apply fake nails, but I'll apply the nail paint during this course of time. So yeah, add a video of the O3 detan pack and how beautiful it looks, how pretty the color looks, so you guys see that, and I'll apply my nails and come back. So guys, firstly I'm gonna remove these chipped nail paints off of my nails. You can see they look very bad and very hideous, so I'm just gonna remove this. Of course this is not going to be my birthday nails, so I'm going to remove this, and for that I'm using the Color Bars nail paint remover. This is a very good nail paint remover, you guys. I have been using this for quite some time now and it's very good. So if you want to invest in a nail paint remover, invest in this. It's very good. It retails for 125 rupees. So yeah, I'm going to be using this, and after that I am going to be searching Pinterest for what birthday nails I should go for. So yeah, I'll search Pinterest and show you guys what my nail paint looks. I have cut my nails a little bit and I have also tried to file them, and this is how my nails look. It looks pretty clean. And also I have searched Pinterest for my birthday nails. I wanted to go a little subtle, so I have searched for a nail and I got 3 options, out of which I chose one. So I'll attach the picture over here, you guys see that. And for that nail I will be using a pink color nail polish, which I have right over here. It's by Nykaa. I'm using the Nykaa's nail enamel nail polish in the shade Raspberry Crumb 255, and I'm going to be using this, and I'm also going to be using a glitter shade. I think I'll be using this or this. Both are from Swiss Beauty, so I'll let you know once I apply my nail polish, and I'll see you guys after that. So guys, I'm done putting on my nail paint, and this is what the current situation of my nail looks. I think it looks so good. First I only applied the pink color, but then I also applied some glitter. Now it looks so good. It is looking like my birthday nails, and I'm really happy about it. I also applied nail paint on my foot toes, so I'm going to show you that. But this is how my nail looks right now. I'll also attach a picture of how good it looks so you can see that, and I'll show you my toenail paint within a moment. So guys, I've applied red nail polish on my toenails. So this is how my nails look on my feet, and I think it looks pretty good, so I'm really happy about that. So guys, this is how I look right now. I look like an absolute mess, but you can see how my skin is glowing. It's looking better than before at least. And this is what my nails look like. Pretty good. I'm obsessed with it. I'm really sorry if I'm showing you again and again, but I'm obsessed with it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go and wax my legs, also my hand maybe. Yes, I'm gonna wax, actually not wax, I'm gonna shave. So I'm gonna shave with this Gillette ka Venus ka razor. I've heard that it's a pretty good razor, so I'm gonna try it for the first time because I don't have wheat wax strips. So I'm gonna try this, and I'll tell you how good this is or how bad this is. I'll tell you about it. So let me just go and shave my face and shave my legs, and then I'll catch you guys. It's the next day after doing my nails. I shave my legs and I moisturize them, and I shave my hands and I moisturize them. After that, I just dozed off. I took a nap. I had my lunch, I took a nap, and I had no energy left in me. But I also did my facial, I mean cleaning, scrubbing, and this cleaning, scrubbing, taking care of my skin. If I have a clip, I'll add that, and from which product I use to clean and scrub my face, I'll also add that, or I'll show you now only. Regarding the facial cleaning or facial, I don't have any footage regarding that, but I wanted to share this product with which I did my facial cleaning or facial. It is the Lotus Herbal Radiant Platinum. I actually did it with the diamond, but then I threw the packet. So yeah, I have this. So it is the Lotus Herbal Radiant Platinum facial kit. I use the diamond. Again, I'm saying I use the diamond, not this one, but it basically has the same sachets which says cleaning, activator, massage cream, and mask. I don't use the mask, but yeah, other than that, it's a very good product, so you can also use it. So yeah, but I just came here to give you an update that now it's the next day. It's the 21st of June, which is my birthday. So today now I'm going to put mask on my hair and take some care of my hair because my hair is too damaged. So I'm going to put a mask on my hair and let it rest. So that is why I started the video. I'll show you which mask I apply. So guys, this is the product that I'm gonna be using for applying my hair mask. This is the L'Oreal Series Expert Vitamino Color, it says that, and I'm gonna be using this for masking my hair. I'm quickly gonna apply this all over my hair, wait for 10 minutes, and then wash my hair, and then I'll quickly come and do the outro of this video because I want to get ready. So yeah, I'll quickly apply this and then meet you guys. So guys, I put on my hair mask, then I went to shower. I went to the shower and I took a bath. I came back and I got ready. I dried up my hair, and this is what my hair looks right now. You cannot see a massive difference because I have to like apply it again and again and again until 1 month, and then you can see a difference. But my hair does feel soft, so thumbs up for that. And I can tell you a good review about that mask only after I've applied it like for a month. So watch out for the review. Ask me for the review after a month, and I'm sure I'll give you about the review. But that's it. That's what I did in my 24 hours birthday glow up transformation. I shaved my legs also. Wait. Sorry, but I shaved my legs. I'm wearing pajamas, so excuse me for that, but I'll change soon. So that's it for my 24 hours birthday glow up transformation. That is all I did. I took care of myself. I did my skincare. I just pampered myself, and that was my birthday glow up transformation. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And with that, I'm gonna end my video. I'll meet you in my next video, which probably will be get ready with me for my birthday or my birthday vlog. So I'll meet you in that video. I love you guys. Bye bye.